See, I'm a movie buff. I still am learning cinema. Whatever I learn, I upgrade myself. I implement, and Deva is that. And for Deva, I can't talk much because it's a thriller cinema. It's releasing on 31st January. It's my love to my brother Shahid Kapoor. I can promise one thing. A lot of people comes and promise a lot of things I have seen. But this promise is from my heart. I can promise this will be another Shahid Kapoor for sure. Thank you.
He said it. He said it with all the intensity in his eyes, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, talking about heart, at the heart of this film is this creative powerhouse, ladies and gentlemen. One of the most exceptional producers, और इससे पहले भी जब जब उन्होंने फिल्में दी हैं वो बॉक्स ऑफिस पे वर्ल्ड वाइड छा गई हैं. एंड इससे पहले शाहिद कपूर के साथ हैदर, कमीने देने के बाद he is all set to rule the box office with Deva. Give it up for Siddharth Roy Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen. Blazing एक वर्ड होता है जो कि इसके साथ बहुत अच्छे से जाता है. Welcome, sir. Sir, एक चीज तो है, of course, whatever we've seen on the big screen from Roy Kapoor films, it has always been different. बहुत हटके होता है. This time ये एकदम मास मसाला कुछ लाए हैं. शाहिद कपूर like never before. आपकी personality के साथ सर नहीं जाता है. Like Deva is like completely opposite to yours is what I feel. Talk to us about it, sir.
I'm glad you feel that way, which means I'm a good actor myself. But I think this is truly the brainchild of the man on my left. It's his vision completely, and we've all worked in service of his vision. From the time that we met, probably 8 years ago, he just reminded me. It's been quite a journey. On that journey and along the way, there have been so many people who've come on board, from writers to HODs who helped us to realize his vision. And it was when Shahid loved the story and came on board that the film actually came together. But I think it's been an incredible creative experience for all of us, the whole production team. Roshan has seen Bombay through eyes that none of us who've lived and grown up in the city have seen it from. So that's incredible. He's presented the city as almost another character. And the film, I think, is going to work pretty much everywhere where we can reach out to audiences. So our colleagues at Z who've supported us from the start intend to take it far and wide. And we're looking forward to the 31st of Jan.
Lovely. Thank you so much, sir. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Of course, he talked about Z Studios, and we must acknowledge the vision and support of this remarkable leader who's here with us, Mr. Umesh Kumar Bansal, CVO Z Studios and Z Music. And all I want to say is they've had a brilliant 2024 और 25 की शुरुआत भी जोरदार हुई है. With Deva, I'm sure, sir, कई नए records टूटने और बनने वाले हैं. What do you have to say on this journey, sir?
We've got brilliant makers here with us. We've got the star power. Our job is limited to taking this to the screens and ensuring that audiences have the access to it. So what we are working on is getting more footfalls, and this is the high point for our lineup in this year. The biggest one for us, and I hope everyone enjoys. We are looking forward to all your love, all your support. I'm very sure you will enjoy because we've enjoyed it thoroughly. Thank you.
Under your leadership, I'm sure, sir, Z Studios gonna rock. जैसा पिछले साल था ये उससे भी ज़्यादा बेहतर होने वाला है. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for being here. Now it's time to invite this brilliant actor, ladies and gentlemen. Digital या फिर films. जब भी इनको देखते हैं हमें पता है यार content दमदार होगा. Give it up for Pavel Gulati, ladies and gentlemen. There he comes. Welcome. Handsomeness देख के मैं कह रहा हूँ गुलाटी साहब कैसे हैं आप? मुझे पूरी सबसे बनानी पड़ेगी यहाँ पे. Talk to us about that particular scene, and in fact the entire thing that we saw on that big screen. As I said, each and every scene is a master class in filmmaking.
It's all because of him, by the way. Our school teacher, our class because of him. And honestly, this is मेरी अभी तक की सबसे बड़ी picture है. Wow. And it's because of Siddharth sir, Roshan sir, Shahid and Pooja. And I'm really excited. I was damn excited to be part of this film, and thank you for having me in this film. And the intensity in not just in this scene, it's in every scene in the film.
and it's Shahid and Roshan sir's vision, which is fantastic, by the way.
टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटेंसिटी, डांस में इतनी इंटेंसिटी और ऐसी खतरनाक वाली कौन डांस सकता है यार?
Only Shahid, and we've been talking about it for the longest time. कि Shahid, when you're dancing, and we were talking about in the vanity cam, when you're going to dance, and I think you've seen it in Bhasad Macha. It's fantastic.
क्या भसड़ मचाई है.